our bottom shelf.
All right, now that we got the framework up for our table here, now we're just going to stop saying stuff.
Keep doing it, Dad.
No. It looks much more.
I think this should be a YouTube channel of you trying to make a YouTube channel. I think that's hilarious.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so what are these things? I don't even know what these are. These just. Okay. So in our last two videos, we used. Oh crap! Hold on.
That's how this usually starts.
Yeah, this starts. Josh is like, it's not.
That was not funny. Yeah, slide it as close to the table as you can get it. That supports it. No, slide it. You want to be about that close. Almost went through the board.
Well, I was just fine.
Yeah.
We'll just tighten that one up nice and loose. I was just fine what I was doing. I had everything planned out. See, with all the bloopers, we're essentially making...
It's this one, bud, not that one.
Just like that.
No.
We're making 2 videos at once.
Make sure it's plugged in.
What the crap? Did someone deliberately unplug that? You little roach! You deliberately unplugged it.
Got him.
That must be mini. What kind of? Oh no! I was just asking, how tiny are those nails?
I thought, okay, go get a pair as far as it's gonna go, I think.
No.
Yeah.
No, that doesn't make any sense. Just jam it.
No, it's at the stops already.
No, it can't be.
Yeah, it is.
That would be the stupidest drawer ever. No way that's as far as it goes.
Oh, that's why.
What happened? Did we put it in? We pulled it out the wrong way, right? Yeah. We're not supposed to go that way. Table. We need to attach that trim piece to the end table itself. That way it can keep moving out. Otherwise, dang it, you screwed me up. You're like,
Didn't know what you...
oh, I'm trying to communicate. And you're like, me.
Yeah, well...
I almost had it too.
Well, yeah,
When you do this, we gotta find a way to make it exciting. If you're just like explaining stuff in like a dry tone and just kind of like doing it, everyone will drop off. So you gotta do it in an exciting way that makes it seem like an adventure.
We get to put the lock on really fast and it's gonna work really good.
I know you're right. You know how many sons in the world get to do this with their dad? I'm sure you can count them on one hand.
Yeah, you're probably right. I don't know who would want to put up with you.
Wow.
Only kidding, bud.
Wow.